Understanding the Helix Pulse home screen. This video explains the Helix Pulse home screen layout. Understanding this screen makes daily operations simple and intuitive. The left side of the screen contains your primary navigation. This is where you move between the main sections of the system. Across the top of the screen, you'll see system status indicators. These icons provide quick information about connection and overall system state. The center of the screen displays your control tiles. Each tile represents a feature or function available in your system. Tapping a tile opens that feature for more detailed control. To return, simply navigate back to the home screen. The home screen is your central control surface. From here, you can access and manage the features you use most.